following counties or areas. Texas at 4:05 p.m. on October 14th, 2024, effective until 4:05 p.m. October 15th, 2024. Amber Alert. Child abduction from Austin, Texas. Suspect vehicle is a silver 2019 Mitsubishi Outlander with Texas license plate TWL2922. Missing children are Ninel Anseume size, 10-year-old Hispanic female, Abraham Anseume, 4-year-old Hispanic male, Elsi Anseume, 2-year-old Hispanic female. Suspect is Sherles Machado-Hernandez, 31-year-old Hispanic male. Call Austin Police Department with information at 512-974-5210. If seen, call 911. Consider our event dangerous. The civil authority has issued child abduction emergency for the following counties or areas. Texas at 4:05 p.m. on October 14th, 2024, effective until 4:05 p.m. October 15th, 2024. Amber Alert. Child abduction from Austin, Texas. Suspect vehicle is a silver 2019 Mitsubishi Outlander with Texas license plate TWL2922. Missing children are Ninel Anseume size, 10-year-old Hispanic female, Abraham Anseume, 4-year-old Hispanic male, Elsi Anseume, 2-year-old Hispanic female. Suspect is Sherles Machado-Hernandez, 31-year-old Hispanic male. Call Austin Police Department with information at 512-974-5210. If seen, call 911. Consider our event dangerous.
The current time is 5:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. The Austin Police Department is searching for missing children. Anseume, 10 years old, Hispanic, female, Abraham Anseume, 4 years old, Hispanic, male, Elsi Anseume, 2 years old, Hispanic, female. The missing children were last seen at 5 p.m. on October 13th, 2024 at the 100 block of Palma Circle, Austin, Texas. Police are looking for Sherles Machado-Hernandez, 31 years old, Hispanic, male, in connection with the abduction of the children. The suspect is believed to be driving a silver 2019 Mitsubishi Outlander bearing TX license plate TWL2922. The suspect was last seen in Austin, Texas. Law enforcement officials believe the child to be in grave or immediate danger. Anyone with information regarding this child abduction should contact the Austin Police Department at 512-974-5410. News media point of contact is Austin Police Department at 512-974-5017.